Watch water react with fire. Discover the gravity-defying toothpick. Smoke can make one blind. All of these secrets unveiled, so stay tuned. Only here at Physics!
Hey Charles, can I borrow 10 peso coin?
Sure, just answer this one question first, okay? So how will you get a 10 peso coin soaked in water without dipping your hands?
How?
Watch this.
Water vacuum.
In this experiment, we need a glass with quarter-filled water, a cork with 4 matches placed securely on its side, a plate, a lighter, and a 10 peso coin. First, place the 10 peso coin on the plate. Place the cork next to the coin. Then slowly, pour the water into the plate. Now the 10 peso coin is soaked into the water. Next, with the use of a lighter, light all the matches placed on the cork. As soon as all the matches have been lit, cover it quickly using the glass. As you can see, the water on the plate started to enter the glass. Now that all the water went inside the glass, you can now pick up the 10 peso coin without soaking your hands into the water. Amazing, isn't it?
How is this possible? The heat of the flame imparts energy to the gas trapped under the glass, raising its pressure and pushing against the water. When the flame is extinguished, the air cools. Less pressure is exerted against the water, allowing it to flow into the glass. Furthermore, the candle flame heats the air in the vase, and the hot air expands. Some of the expanding air escapes out from under the vase. You might see some bubbles. When the flame goes out, the air in the vase cools down and the cooler air contracts. The cooling air inside of the vase creates a vacuum. This imperfect vacuum is created due to the low pressure inside the vase and the high pressure outside of the vase. We know what you're thinking. The vacuum is sucking the water into the vase, right? You have the right idea, but scientists try to avoid using the term suck when describing the vacuum. Instead, they explain it as gas exerting pressure from an area of high pressure to an area of low pressure.
See? It's just as easy as that. Alright? So, catch.
Thanks.
Alright? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey Rocky, where's Lynette? May Maybe she's trying to balance spoon and fork with the toothpick again.
Really? How's that possible?
Remember, we just had an experiment last time.
Magic toothpick. In this experiment, you will be needing a glass, a spoon, a fork, a toothpick, and a lighter. Overlap the fork and the spoon. Insert the wooden toothpick upwards from underneath the first prong in the fork. With a little patience, you should be able to balance the whole contraption off the edge of a drinking glass. Light a match and set fire to the end of the toothpick that's in the glass. The toothpick will burn away slowly as the flame heads towards the edge of the glass. Everyone will expect the whole contraption to fall at any moment. The flame will automatically go out once the flame reaches the glass. Since glass is a poor conductor of heat, the whole contraption will still remain suspended outside of the glass. Amazing! This trick is an excellent demonstration of the center of mass of a mass system. Simply defined, the center of mass is the point where you would place your finger to balance the mass system. Before the toothpick was burned, you were able to balance the fork and spoon at some point along the toothpick. This point was the center of mass. The burning of the toothpick was purely for show. The amount of mass that was burned away was negligibly compared to the mass of the fork and spoon, so the center of mass remained in precisely the same location.
Oh yeah, I just remembered. Well, anyway, let's have some more, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go!
Hey guys, don't you think we're overpracticing? Why don't we have some drink and get some tea?
Hey, speaking of tea, did you know that we can make a racket out of a tea bag?
Oh,
Watch this.
Rocket tea bag.
In this experiment, we need a tea bag, a receptacle or any container, a pair of scissors, and a lighter. Be careful, you might get burned. First, open the tea bag using the scissors. Then empty it and place the extract on the receptacle or container. Make a tube-like opening on both edges of the tea bag, but flatten the middle part. This is important because if you don't do it, it will fail. Then, light up the top of the tea bag. At some point, before the fire consumes all of the tea bag, the rocket will launch. Amazing!
How is this possible? As the flame burns down the cylinder, it heats the air inside of the tea bag. When air's temperature increases, so does its volume. Consequently, if the mass of air stays the same but the volume increases, the pressure will have to decrease, making air less dense. Faster moving air molecules in hot air will rise, and the cooler air will set beneath them. This flow of rising air within the cylinder creates a convection current of air, generating an upward force. At the same time, the tea bag's mass keeps decreasing as it burns, and the ashen skeleton that remains is much less massive than the original tea bag. Once the flame has burned to the bottom, the convection current provides enough force to lift the remaining ash into the sky.
Amazing! Isn't it surprising? Surprising!
Isn't it? And that's physics!
Hey guys, it's already 12 o'clock.
It's time to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, come on. Let's use the magic door. That's a good idea. Alohomora! Group 1? Group 5? Group 1? Group 5? Group 1? Group 5? Group 1? Fusion! Ha! Let's dance!
Baby squirrel, use a sexy motherfucker.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Ooh, whoa. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so fine. Ooh, whoa. Oh, girl, I'm gonna show you when you're mine, oh, mine. Mine, oh, mine. Treasure, that is what you are. Honey, you're my golden star. You know you can make my wish come true. If you let me treasure you. If you let me treasure you. Oh, oh. Pretty girl, you should be smiling. A girl like you should never look so.
Hey guys, don't you think we're over practicing? That's why don't we? Why don't we have some break and get some tea?
Hey, speaking of tea, did you make... Ayun.
All of these secrets. Feel ba? Feel. Cut mo. Napatakan ka dyan, di ba? Wala. Hindi yan ba? Lipad yan. Dilipad yan. Lumabas na yung usok. Wala na. Lumabas na yung usok ko. Hindi, dapat pantay yung apoy niya. Malabas yung usok. Kasi ang apoy... Tayo sa ano?